How to develop speed and endurance in soccer. Are you ready to enhance your performance on the soccer field? Today, we're diving into a vital aspect of soccer training, developing speed and endurance. Speed and endurance are essential for outrunning opponents and maintaining peak performance throughout the game. In this guide, we'll explore an example exercise that will help you boost your speed and endurance, giving you the edge you need to dominate on the pitch. So let's lace up our boots and embark on a journey to maximize your athletic abilities in soccer. Number 1. Interval training. Interval training is a highly effective method for improving speed and endurance in soccer. This type of training involves alternating between periods of high-intensity activity and rest or low-intensity recovery. By challenging your cardiovascular system and simulating the demands of the game, interval training helps you build the stamina and sprinting ability needed to excel on the field. Incorporating interval training into your regimen can lead to significant improvements in both speed and endurance over time. Incorporate interval training into your regimen, alternating between high-intensity bursts of activity and periods of rest or low-intensity recovery. Number 2. Warm-up. A proper warm-up is essential before engaging in interval training for speed and endurance in soccer. Begin with dynamic movements such as jogging, high knees, butt kicks, and leg swings to increase blood flow and loosen up your muscles. This prepares your body for the upcoming workout and reduces the risk of injury during intense activity. By incorporating a thorough warm-up, you optimize your performance and readiness for the interval training session ahead. Begin with a dynamic warm-up to prepare your muscles and joints for the upcoming workout, focusing on increasing blood flow and flexibility. Number 3. High-intensity intervals. High-intensity intervals are the core of speed and endurance development in soccer training. During these intervals, athletes push themselves to perform at maximum effort for short bursts of time, typically lasting 30 seconds to a minute. This intense exertion helps improve both aerobic and anaerobic fitness levels, enhancing sprinting speed and overall endurance on the field. By consistently challenging your limits with high-intensity intervals, you'll see significant improvements in your performance during matches. Perform a series of high-intensity intervals such as sprinting or shuttle runs, aiming for maximum effort and explosive acceleration during each interval. Number 4. Active recovery. Active recovery plays a crucial role in optimizing performance during interval training for speed and endurance in soccer. After completing each high-intensity interval, athletes engage in active recovery activities such as light jogging or walking. This allows the heart rate to gradually decrease while keeping the body moving, facilitating the removal of metabolic byproducts and aiding in faster recovery. Active recovery periods help athletes maintain their energy levels and readiness for the next intense interval, ensuring maximum effectiveness of the training session. Allow brief periods of active recovery between intervals, engaging in activities like jogging or walking to lower your heart rate while keeping your body moving. Number 5. Repeat and progress. To maximize the benefits of interval training for speed and endurance in soccer, it's crucial to repeat and progress the workout over time. Athletes should aim to complete multiple rounds of high-intensity intervals followed by active recovery periods. As fitness levels improve, gradually increase the intensity, duration, or number of intervals to continue challenging the body and stimulating adaptation. Consistent repetition and progression of interval training sessions are key to achieving significant improvements in speed, endurance, and overall performance on the soccer field. Repeat the intervals followed by active recovery for several rounds, gradually increasing the intensity and duration of your intervals as your fitness improves. Number 6. Consistency. Consistency is paramount when it comes to developing speed and endurance in soccer. Make interval training a regular part of your training regimen, scheduling sessions several times per week. By consistently challenging your body with structured workouts, you'll see steady progress and improvements in your speed and endurance over time. Consistently incorporate interval training into your routine to see significant improvements in both speed and endurance over time. Number 7. Listen to your body. Listening to your body is essential for safe and effective training in soccer. Pay attention to signals of fatigue, discomfort, or pain during workouts, and adjust intensity or duration accordingly. By respecting your body's limits and giving it the rest and recovery it needs, you can prevent injuries and maintain long-term health and performance on the field. Number 8. Proper nutrition and hydration. Proper nutrition and hydration are vital for supporting your training efforts and optimizing speed and endurance in soccer. Fuel your body with a balanced diet rich in carbohydrates, protein, and healthy fats to provide sustained energy for workouts. Stay hydrated by drinking plenty of water before, during, and after training sessions to maintain peak performance and aid in recovery. Number 9. Rest and recovery. Adequate rest and recovery are essential components of any training program for speed and endurance in soccer. Ensure you allow your body enough time to rest between intense workouts to prevent overtraining and promote muscle repair and growth. Quality sleep and active recovery techniques such as stretching and foam rolling are also crucial for optimizing recovery and maintaining performance levels on the field. Number 10, seek professional guidance. Consider seeking guidance from a coach or fitness expert to tailor your interval training program to your individual needs and goals, ensuring you're making the most of your efforts to develop speed and endurance in soccer. In conclusion, by incorporating the example exercise of interval training into your soccer training regimen and following these key principles, you'll be well on your way to developing the speed and endurance needed to excel in the field. Consistency, proper nutrition, and listening to your body are essential for long-term success. So lace up your boots, hit the field, and watch as your speed and endurance reach new heights. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, join our community by subscribing, liking, and following us. See you in the next video.